Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Arista here and I'm back with another video. So I'm back with another Flipkart haul for you all. Rhyme kiya. Yo, haul for y'all. Okay. So yeah, this haul I have sportswear. वो अलग बात है मैं कोई स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेलती, कुछ भागती रही हूँ, वो अलग बात है. कीपिंग दैट असाइड मैंने मंगा लिए हैं and I'm very excited to show them to you all. So yup, without further ado, let's get into the video. मतलब कहीं तो वजह से I don't know.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
Okay, so before getting into the video, I wanted to tell you some pointers about Flipkart. So Flipkart Pay, the collection, it's refreshed weekly, and all the international brands and even the normal brands, they are very genuine and have a really good quality to all their products. And every product goes through 6 quality checks by Flipkart, and then they have really easy refunds, then returns. The return policy is very good. Last time मैंने मेरा शूज़ का साइज़ मैंने गलती से एक साइज़ बड़ा मंगा दिया था, so I exchanged it. Exchange का भी बहुत easy है, so it's really amazing. They have really good products, like really good quality products at a very low price, and then you can shop in many languages. ऐसे नहीं बन गया इंडिया का फैशन कैपिटल फ्लिपकार्ट. सो जस्ट गो एंड डाउनलोड फ्लिपकार्ट राइट नाउ. सब चीज़ों के लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए हुए हैं, सो check it out and let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing we have is here Flipkart का बैग. ये देखो मैंने कैसे फाड़ा हुआ है, कुछ ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी. Okay, so the first thing we have is this. It's not a top exactly. Sorry, मेरा गला थोड़ा बन टाइप है. So it is a top, but it's a sports top. So if I show it to you all, you'll get कि मैं क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ. What is it called? I don't know what it's exactly called. It's a sando, I think. Yeah, you call it and my dad calls it a sando. So it's like this. It's neon in color, but it's not like bright wala neon. It's more of thoda yellowish neon में, and पीछे से it's like that. So it's like proper sports where you can actually wear a bra top inside this and wear this over. Then yeah, I really like the material. It's not very patla ki, you know, it's see through. It's not like that. And side में इस पे ऐसे ऐसे prints है, like ऊपर arms में. And yeah, I think it's very comfortable. इसका material बहुत अच्छा है, cotton. It's very soft. And yeah, इसमें अलग colors भी है, so you can get it. I got it in the size. What is the size? I'm totally dumb. The size is extra small. You can get like various sizes in this, but yeah, I feel this is very comfortable for like working out or even like playing some sports. This is like really good, and you know, wearing this with shorts or maybe leggings, and under you can wear a top, or like even if you wear like normal inner, it's fine. But yeah, I'm really fond of this. It's a very good quality product. Next up we have this. I really wanted to get this for a very long time. I finally Flipkart पे मुझे मिल गया at a very affordable price. वरना normally इसके original site पे it was very expensive. Here it is. It is a PSG की jersey. People who love PSG. I am into PSG. Okay. Messi for life. Okay. Ronaldo. But like PSG with Neymar and Messi together is like amazing. And पीछे we have Neymar Junior number 10. So it's cute. I really like it. इसका material, it's nice. It's like a normal jersey वाला material. What is it called? It's called nylon, I think. It's something like that, spandex. But it's very nice. It has that Paris का logo. It's a proper thing. It's very nice. I'm really fond of it. You can wear it like, you can घर पे पहनने के लिए, you can wear it with shorts, you can wear it with leggings, joggers, whatever. But yeah, it's very cool. I am really fond of it. I'm gonna wear this every single day now. And yeah, कभी मैच हो रहा हो, so enthusiasm के लिए आप पहन के बैठ सकते हो. So yeah, I'm really liking this. I'll wear this with the white shorts or maybe like normal leggings or whatever. But मैं नीचे के लिए तो पहन ही लूँगी, cycling या something. But please, cycling करने कोई मत जाओ, कोविड फैल रहा है. घर पे रहो. मैं भी नहीं जा रही, तो जब जाऊंगी तब के लिए इट्स approved by me, link description में दिया हुआ है, so you can check all of them out. Next we have, अब tops हो गए, अब हम bottoms में जाएंगे. So first we have ये, हाँ, this is my favorite leggings out of all of these three. ये मेरी favorite pair है because of the color. मुझे इसका कलर ये इतना पसंद है. आई लव दिस कलर इन लेगिंग्स. ये मेरे पास ऑलरेडी इस कलर में 2 लेगिंग्स है, बट आई लव, वी लव दिस. यू सी दिस, इसमें साइड में ये प्रिंट है एंड ऊपर वेस्ट वाले वेस्ट लाइन पे भी ये है. इसका फिट बहुत अच्छा है. इट्स लाइक वेरी कंफर्टेबल. इट्स नॉट वेरी टाइट ऑल्सो. इट्स लाइक परफेक्ट. आई थिंक लेगिंग्स यू शुड ऑलवेज ऑर्डर अ साइज स्मॉलर, तो वो फिट अच्छा आता है. जनरली लेगिंग्स आर सपोज टू बी लाइक वेरी बॉडी हगिंग, सो इट्स दैट्स हाउ अ लेगिंग सपोज टू बी. ओके, ऐसी ही होनी चाहिए लेगिंग्स. सो ये डार्क ब्लू कलर है एंड इसमें ऊपर ये पर्पल है. बट आई रियली लव द डिज़ाइन, आई रियली लव द फिट. इट्स वेरी कम्फी एंड दिस विद लाइक दिस, इनमें से एक टॉप से पहन लोगे इट लुक रियली क्यूट. और मे बी अ क्रॉप टॉप इफ यू वांट टू गो टू अ कैजुअल लुक, नो, अगर स्पोर्टी लुक नहीं करना है, इफ़ यू वेयर दिस फॉर द क्यूट नॉर्मल क्रॉप टॉप में, वो तब भी अच्छा लगेगा. बट या आई रियली लाइक दिस. इसका फिट बहुत अच्छा. यू कैन सी साइड में हाउ इट फिट्स एंड इट्स प्रिटी अफोर्डेबल. इस पे द प्राइस इज 1700, बट फ्लिपकार्ट पे आई गॉट इट फॉर वे मोर चीपर. आई गॉट इट इन द साइज एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल. वहाँ पे साइज चार्ट दिया, आप देख के ले सकते हो. एंड सामने इसका ब्रांड लिखा हुआ है Alsis. It's called Alsis. So but yeah, it's very nice. I'm really fond of it. बहुत अच्छा मटेरियल है. इसको खींचते रहो, चलेगा. And yeah, I love. Approved by me. You should get it. Okay, so next again we have leggings but in a different color. Okay. This is that green wala color. What is it called? I don't know what exactly it's called. It's called army green. Army green, I think. Army. It's called army green. And इस brand का नाम है Rock Paper Scissors. Okay. So yeah, इस पे कोई अच्छा है इस पे डिज़ाइन. इस पे legs पे, हाँ. So left leg पे this design is there. It's like a line. Whereas light leg पे ऊपर से ये ऐसा है, like नीचे the whole thing is like this. It's very cool. I really like the color. It's pretty different than usual colors. And ऊपर से इसका waist वाला ये वाला part हो, it's a little more higher. It's a little more high waisted. So I prefer high waisted any time of the day. पेट छुप जाता है. If you are a little petly, you can try this. It's really amazing. इसका fit उसे थोड़ा loose है because मैंने एक size बड़ा मंगा दिया, मैंने small मंगा दिया. But yeah, but still this also fits me pretty well. जैसे मैंने बोला, you should order a size smaller than your usual size in leggings. But yeah, I really love this. इसका material भी वैसा ही है. It's the same as the other one. So it's again very comfy, very nice. Good for like normal use also. Not कि gym में या फिर sports करते टाइम ही, sports खेलते टाइम ही पहनना है. Normally also you can wear this. It's very comfy. Okay people, so the last thing. अगेन लेगिंग्स बहुत मंगा ली. मेरे पास, मेरा पता क्या था, ओनली हैड 2 pairs of leggings एंड उनमें मुझे एक ही पसंद. सो आई यूज टू वेयर दोस 2 लाइक ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे बिकॉज मेरे को आई थिंक लेगिंग्स इज समथिंग आई कैन वेयर लाइक कभी भी कहीं भी. इट्स लाइक अ गो टू थिंग. नाउ आई हैव 5 of them. और मैं चेंज करके पहनूंगी रोज़. सो दिस वन, इट्स इन द कलर, it's maroon type but like more on a purple side, red से ज़्यादा. बिल्कुल सेम मटेरियल है. ब्रांड भी it's the same. I think it's Rock Paper Scissors. Yeah, it's the same brand. maroon कलर है ये. it's very pretty, very different and साइड में इसमें से black lines है. I love, मेरे को ये बहुत पसंद आया. this with like a black crop top over. it's like mic drop right there. Amazing. I love, I approve. मेरे को बहुत पसंद आई है. But again, that one, the first one was my favorite. But here also I really like. This is very pretty. Side me you can see. So yup, that's it. These were the products that I got from Flipkart. Okay people, so this was the haul for today. These were the products that I got from Flipkart. If you want any of them, in सबके links description में दिए हुए, so you can check it out. And yeah, that's it for this haul. I will be back soon with another one. But till then, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, and comment करके बताओ what were your favorite items in this haul. So yep, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, bye. Love you all.